Hello and welcome. I don't know how much I can do. Why is this not lit up? Oh, come on. It may be that as the batteries in these things get lower. There we are. They just don't have. Anyway, I'm not feel like this sign. I've got no power. Well, it's kind of on. It's not on. Anyway, yeah, I have not been feeling well at all. What is this? Oh, it's fully charged. The iPad is fully charged. As I said, I was thinking, see, I've got a little tripod over here to hold stuff. I was thinking of doing some um, time lapse for this. I was thinking, alright, let's see if I can squeeze that in the drawer. Everything goes in the drawer. Oh, gosh. This hat I've had for a very, very, very long time. This pin, too. This used to be, the way pins were for hockey. It was just like, oh, yeah, we'll put a puck and we'll put sticks and we'll just stick a different logo on there. Lovely. Alright, so back to the cleanup here. So much to do. What is this? Oh, I guess there's a piece of tape on the bottom of this monitor, which I suspect was to hold the door. Many a monitor like this ends up with a broken door. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah. Here's another cool thing. Well, sort of. It's an alarm thing. Now, why? Oh, my. Ay, 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 ay. I guess I opened it up to see what kind of stuff was needed inside. I didn't get whatever was. Oh yeah, 9-volt battery. Okay, well, before it gets ruined, there's the other screw. This is a very loud thing, and I'm not going to put the screws all the way in, but certainly far enough that they won't fall out. And I'll try. Look at that, it fits in the drawer. Ooh. And here are some screw things. They are. Now, do I have a screwdriver right handy that will use such things? I don't think so. Anyway, that bucket I was messing with the other day, I'll just toss that in there. Now, the good thing, there we go, and the bad thing of things recently is this monitor. I like this monitor. It's a beautiful thing. Now, I don't remember. Yeah, I guess I am connected to it. Alright, so, diagnostics, screwdrivers, diagnostics, joystick. And this would be a video cable for an Amiga. Alright, what is this? Oh, that's this. This is a 5-pin cable. This one I use to go over there. And this is an 8-pin that I use. Now here's a Vic-20 power supply, and I'm just not sure if it's working. I don't really have a way to test it. Not at this juncture. Anyway, the idea here is, once again, tidy, tidy, tidy. Oh, look. There's a mega race. See, there's no notes on this. It has a bit of a wonky power switch. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Yeah, I was working on some of these. I was. But no notes. Don't help. Alright, I'm going to set that in the chair here. I have a bad feeling I might have killed this power supply. And I've never really looked inside one of these. I don't know if there's a fuse. I'd like to think there's a fuse. But I don't know. Okay. Get it flat on the table. Man. I think that's coming out. It may be. Maybe I should grab a different screwdriver. See, with Phillips things, there are different heads. Yeah, that feels better. They look the same, kind of, but they're not. Some are sharper, some are duller, some are bigger, some are smaller. There's a screw. I would suspect this has not been out. Anyway, I was testing Vic-20 things, and then I'm not sure. I think this power supply went to bed, and it may be that there's nothing to be done, but certainly. I've got a bad feeling. I'm kind of ripping the heads a bit. Well, not too bad. What's this screwdriver? No. Flathead. What's this? This looks much the same. Anyway. Keep good downward pressure. Certainly I like these power supplies better than the 64 bricks. All right. 3. This will be interesting to see what's in here. Of course, there's a thing, caution, indoor use only. Oh, man. That hurts the hands. All right. Oh, oh, there is a fuse. Well, I think it's soldered in. Hang on here. Let's get the spectacles out. Yeah, it's soldered in. And It does look okay, but I guess, so there it is. It's a transformer. That's all it is. 2 wires in, 2 wires out, and a fuse on the other end. But is it working? Good question. I'm not sure where is the meter? I don't know. I just don't know. Well, I guess as I tidy up, I will find it. I will. So for this moment, I'll throw the screws in here. And with great care, I'll set this up here. So I know it is safe. And there. Now look, it's a mega race. Oh yeah, there's the top of it. Okay, good. Oh, I don't feel good. I'm pretty sure I've had heat exhaustion, maybe with a touch of heat stroke. I think. Anyway, I'm waiting on blood results. I am. Excuse me. You know what? I think that's about all for now. So thanks for coming. We'll see you again here. Again, back in the TV room. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.